Hi friends, this is Betsy Detloff, and I've decided recently to begin reading Spurgeon's daily devotional, the morning and evening, as you can see on the screen here. I'm going to read it every day. I'm going to make a separate video every day so that you'll read the morning and then come back and read the evening. And I'm doing it that way so that you can actually take time to meditate on it and not just read them back to back, but read the one, then read the other. Now, I've actually hosted this also on a website of mine, and I'm going to click on that. I think I have it here. Yep, so I have this website, changeyourliferightnow.weebly.com, and that also has Spurgeon's morning and evening devotional right here, Spurgeon's daily devotional. And it also has an article here that I wrote, what's the most important thing in life and death. And it's a good message about eternity and how to make sure that you're right with the Lord by faith in Jesus. So I put that there as well. And some of this is a little bit older about the elections and masks and so on, but I'm happy with the site overall, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave it there. So okay, we're going to go back to the screen here. So you'll notice also that we have Faith's Checkbook, which is another Spurgeon devotional. It's very nice. It's short and very nice about faith. I like it. But this morning and evening, I've been reading it now for 20 years and every day, and it's amazing. And it also seems to match every day, I think, supernaturally with what's going on in everybody's life every day. Only God could have done it. So, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And I'm going to go ahead and read this. I have my own copy open, but I'm going to go ahead and let you read it as well. They shall sing in the ways of the Lord, Psalm 138:5. The time when Christians begin to sing in the ways of the Lord is when they first lose their burden at the foot of the cross. Not even the songs of the angels seem so sweet as the first song of rapture which gushes from the inmost soul of the forgiven child of God. You know how John Bunyan describes it. He says, when poor Pilgrim lost his burden at the cross, he gave 3 great leaps and went on his way singing, "Blessed cross, blessed sepulchre, blessed rather be the man that there was put to shame for me." Believer, do you recollect the day when your fetters fell off? Do you remember the place when Jesus met you and said, "I have loved thee with an everlasting love. I have blotted out as a cloud thy transgressions, and as a thick cloud thy sins. They shall not be mentioned against thee any more forever." Oh, what a sweet season is that when Jesus takes away the pain of sin. When the Lord first pardoned my sin, I was so joyous that I could scarce refrain from dancing. I thought on my road home from the house where I had been set at liberty that I must tell the stones in the street the story of my deliverance. So full was my soul of joy that I wanted to tell every snowflake that was falling from heaven of the wondrous love of Jesus, who had blotted out the sins of one of the chief of rebels. But it is not only at the commencement of Christian life that believers have reason for song. As long as they live, they discover cause to sing in the ways of the Lord, and their experience of his constant loving kindness leads them to say, "I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise shall continually be in my mouth." See to it, brother, sister, that thou magnifiest the Lord this day. Long as we tread the desert land, new mercies shall new songs demand. And so that's the first day of February. You can also come back tonight and look for the evening devotional. And of course, you can actually just use the tool that I'm going to go back to that page. Right here is this evening's reading, and you can click on that. You can also click here to get the whole thing. It's actually this. It's called Romans45.org/. I think you'll just pick it up there morning and evening. So I've just been loving this, and I just believe that you'll love having access to it. And you may prefer just to read it. I personally prefer reading it to myself, But I just thought, well, this is a way of getting people exposed to it. Even if you don't come back and listen to me read it, that's fine with me. I just want you to be edified and encouraged, and just be blessed by Charles Spurgeon's daily morning and evening devotional. Yeah, if you go to my website, minitrampolineworship.com, I also have a little bit of a biography about him. He's actually the most prolific English-speaking Christian writer in our generation. There's more Spurgeon books on eBay and Amazon than you can possibly read in the rest of your life. How he wrote them all, I don't know. But I love the man. I'm thankful that I found him. And so that's all for today. Just a little short first day. I'm going to go back and read January gradually and get them loaded into YouTube so that they're around for posterity. All right. God bless you all, and see you again. Bye-bye.